Today, guys, we'll be playing Animal Company Hardcore mode. Me and 2 other friends are going to be playing Hardcore and defeating my top 3 ops. We're going to be killing the Angler. The eyes. Hi! We'll be killing the Angler. Can you shut up? We'll be killing the Angler, the eyes, and the Mimic. Finally. Now shut up! Alright, guys. Everyone, pack up. We gotta get ready for this.
Okay, sassy baka.
I got $69,000. Guys, y'all already know what I'm buying.
Oh, die!
Whoa, we gotta kill these
Hey,
ops.
buy me a shotgun now!
Dude, I don't want to waste all my money. Everyone, pack up.
You know average.
All right, everyone. Should we go for the Angler or should we go for the eyes? Eyes and Mimic.
Eyes! Yeah!
And guys, this is also a hardcore challenge. So if we die, 1 life, bro. You die, it's over. You're gone. You don't exist anymore. You're gone forever.
Can we get going?
Yeah, we're gonna go, but dying to other players does not count. And don't even kill each other. There's no point of that. Oh, I actually lied to y'all of who my top 3 ops are.
Han. I'll kill the Mimic with my crowbar.
Alright, guys, my actual top 3 ops are the Angler, the Mimic, and the Chicken.
Let's go for the chicken.
Yeah, let's go for chicken. Everyone, go to the chicken. Alright, guys, so we need someone to go lure. We need someone to lure the chicken to me, and I'll shoot him with the shotgun.
I will do that.
And then after we kill chicken, we can probably kill a Mimic, rather in one of those mazes or down there while we kill.
My crowbar.
Did you just throw your crowbar across the map?
Okay, I'll lure him. Wait, hold on.
Like, dude, just lure him right here. I'll be right here and I'll shoot him.
Okay.
You gotta get close. Go! Run! No! He died! It was hardcore! Rest in peace, soldier. Wait, throw a grenade! Dude! Wait, hold up, bro. Hold up, I can cook. That didn't kill me. No, I can't. Guys, we're not doing that hardcore challenge. We're not doing the hardcore challenge anymore. Someone go get my shotgun.
Yeah, bro, how did you get 69,000?
Dude, how are we failing with the first op? The first.
Because I gotta tell you something. A flashlight! Someone get a flashlight! A normal flashlight!
Did you get my...
And don't take anyone's stuff.
Where's my shotgun?
Bro, who shot that? That was mine.
Where's my shotgun?
Your shotgun.
Where's my shotgun?
Hey, person, give me back my backpack. Oh, wait, you could take the edge off him.
Where's my
Oh,
shotgun?
with the crossbow. Bro, Carson took my entire fit. Give me it. Carson.
Where's my shotgun?
Hold on! Oh, I see a shotgun.
Where? Oh,
I found it.
give it to me.
Hey, get your shot ready. Get your shot ready.
Yeah, wait, no,
Yo,
guys,
do
I
you
gotta
want
go
your
buy
crossbow?
bullets. I gotta go buy
Bro,
bullets.
give me back everything.
Dude, how are we? Oh my god.
Bro, even give me back.
Oh.
This is mine. This is mine.
We have lost the shotgun. I repeat, we have lost the shotgun.
Okay. Let's all meet up.
You know what, everyone? Use grenade launchers, also known as grenades and crossbows. That's less expensive.
I already
Never mind, that is not less expensive.
spawn. I repeat, meet up at spawn. Over. We're getting.
You know what? Get crowbars. If you hit monsters with crowbars, they take damage.
How did you get? Wait. Eric. How did you get 69,000?
Don't worry about that.
No. Bro, I need money. I'm broke.
Me, Eric, and Adrian are recording YouTube video.
All right, guys. All we have to do is kill the chicken, and then we can kill literally. Wait, can we just get a grenade and kill the mimic?
Hey, no one take my grenade.
I got a
Carson,
grenade.
don't. That's mine. Give me that back.
Guys,
Bro, Carson!
dude,
I spent all my money on that. I only have $403. I have
dude, that
like
is
5
not
grand.
cool, man. That was not cool. We're trying to work together as a team.
We all get one.
I have one. Wait, hold up. Oh my god, that was an accident. Hold on, we'll put this on a crossbow.
Hey, can you like, Eric?
Mhm.
Can you give me
Adrian,
back my
take this.
crossbow?
Oh yeah, sure. Here's your crossbow.
Thanks, Eric.
I'm taking this grenade. Everyone, we're going to the chicken. Go to the chicken.
Everyone clap him. We gotta clap him up. And
Clap
destroy
him in his fat. Oh, look at our cheeks.
Wait, guys, should we make this a 3-parter? This is the first episode, killing the chicken op.
Yeah.
All
you
right.
should make make one video about your op, and then you should make another one, and then another one, and then combine all the videos together.
Nah, I'm gonna make this a 3-parter in separate videos. Hold up.
Guess who's back?
Enjoy your surprise. I missed
Come here,
completely,
Papa.
bro.
Run! We got the chicken!
You got him?
I repeat, he's dead! We got the op, he's down!
We got the op. Let's go.
The op's down.
I got his egg. I got his egg.
Oh.
Everyone, let's go. We got our trophy.
We cooked him up and we got his stuff.
On that.
Hold up!
Yeah? Wait. You know what? Every single episode when we kill an op, we're taking one of their trophies.
Yeah, take their stuff. But one thing.
So we got the first trophy,
mimic
the
doesn't-
egg from the chicken.
Ankles.
Probably the next one will be a
Ankle
mimic.
Oh, the mimics are over here.
Wait, no, we're not doing it yet. It's gonna be a 3-parter. We'll do it later. But first, let's sell a trophy, and then let's do this outro and get this video over with. Wait, does anyone have stuff to sell? Wait, no, everyone, drop your stuff in here. Drop your stuff in here.
Oh no.
Hold up. We gotta wait for Adrian. We gotta wait for him to get his stuff.
We're
Dude,
gonna have
put
the
your-
crowbar.
Hey, Adriana.
But
But I am not gonna sell. But I
sell
want
the
that.
backpack, bro.
Even the backpack.
Yeah, even if, oh, you missed. Hey, we still made money.
Got the ops on you.
All right,
Bro,
Adrian,
$1?
Adrian, go in there. We're gonna need to teleport
Yay,
you
I'm gonna
to.
be cooked up.
We're teleporting you to the next part, so
No.
don't come back. Don't come back in the video, Adrian. You've been sent to the next part. Your turn. Go in there, Carson. You gotta get sent to the next part. I guess it's my turn to go in now. Wait, hold up. I think I know how we're gonna get in here. Alright, guys. See you on the next part.